You live across the street?
You don't belong to them people over there, do you?
My mom lives across the street, and I just pulled up and saw you guys having a yard sale. So
Judy, your mom?
Judy's her neighbor, Cindy, next door to Judy.
Oh, I see you all out.
Yeah.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Good morning, how are you? What's that? Oh, perfect.
It's only, their house only about 2 hours from here. It's just like around 421, so it's not far at all.
I don't know where it gets to.
It goes through that, you go through Madison, then right into,
We were down in Madison last week.
yeah, it's,
Well, you can get a kind of work. Yeah, it is, like we did. But you know, in the 60s anyway, there's a note from that place. I graduated in,
wood or wood, that's wood and wood, they do.
that's true, that's right. I graduated as a contractor to make airplane covers. And it was just a single airplane. And I took that $75 and 3 months of the five, it's $75 for me and the kids. So we had a good summer.
It's only 2 hours, it's not bad. My son actually just went back to Florida, so that was a 10-hour drive.
My daughter just she sold my house. And I don't know that she would have bought that house that she bought, but she did not know it, so it was up on the market. The house, she went from a new house to it, and it's beautiful setting. It's an old neighborhood with around her yard, in front of it, it's got probably 50 years, but it's just, it's so many trees. Well, two places that she's been in. One they say, 8,000 or 6,000.
6,000 to get them other two on the hill. $6,000. One great fellow in her house. Sunport. And then all kinds of three fellows working on them. Another one, there's three fellows on the neighbor. Tore his fence down. They got a bunch more trees they want to take out. They got a big hill behind them. 2 big trees up on that hill. You had to go down them, they want $6,000 for that.
At Indiana Wesleyan University, you can reimagine, recreate, and redefine
I mean, when it was done, if anything went wrong, it would be done. When it's under change, they can give me a new drum. He told me it was small. You know, you need to change your frame or concrete. You know, I was here so much, I can change a lot as I see. I can't look at a blueprint and visualize. And that's definitely look at it and visualize things. She said if we built 2 years ago, it's going to bring back that thing. The building materials have gone up so much. That's right. And then by the time I get to, and by the time that it was built, the farm was not market. And it kept priced less than it did at the beginning. So, but it may be back up now. I don't know.
Yeah, he's back up.
Yeah, so much better. So much more. I so much better. Ooh. Get up now. We just got. We bounced now.
But in 3 years, you're going to start back. Now everything's small. You have to fix your house. You want to fix it.
Yeah.
And now we place it on Amazon, but also.
All right, I think I'm ready.
I don't even know what he's talking about.
You're just finding all kinds of goodies.
Yeah, that was kind of fun to look through.
Cashing in there. I don't even know what he's talking about, because I don't know nothing
Well,
about it.
Brandy, it's nice meeting you. Same thing every day. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
All right.
Well, it's, I mean, you know, you go in
Have an enjoyable
different
evening.
teams, but, you know, here,
Excuse me, are you coming tomorrow? You don't have?
yes.
Okay.
So I gotta get 1650.
Looks good to me.
I'm gonna go work this out here.
Glad you found all that stuff.
Yeah, it was fun.
John, that's the smallest stone horse I've ever seen.
I'm sure my wife will love that to put a flower pot on though.
Your
We
beard.
made
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. I need to cut it.
Yeah, I know somebody might want.
You want a bag?
I can just put it all in the box here, and then I'm just walking right across the street.
Oh.
I think I should be okay.
You live across the street?
You don't belong to them people over there, do you?
My mom lives across the street, and I just pulled up and saw you guys having a yard sale. So
Judy, your mom?
Judy's her neighbor, Cindy, next door to Judy.
Oh, I
Okay.
see you all out.
Yeah.
I'm the one that hung the door, bread on the door, and
Oh, really?
yeah.
Huh.
Sometimes I can't get people to the door. So
Yeah.
I know somebody's in there because I can hear the dogs.
Right,
But-
yeah.
But they can't, probably can't hear me.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, well, I'm glad to meet you because
Nice to meet you.
we hadn't met your old family.
Oh, really?
Judy tells me all the time, said, oh, it's a good family. She said, I watched those kids grow up.
Oh, yeah.
Now I
Yeah.
get to see the babies.
Yeah. John and Judy, right? Is
Yeah,
John her
yeah.
husband? Yeah, exactly.
Nice people.
Right. All right, you guys have a great day.
All right, thanks, sir.
Thanks. Alright guys, we are back from what I like to call just a fun little bonus garage sale. It wasn't planned, prices were cheap, the people were friendly, and I picked up a few things. Prices were so cheap, in fact I probably could have gotten a lot more, but as I mentioned, I'm just very leery of picking up a bunch of junk that I have to deal with later. So real quick, let me show you what I did grab to resell. I honestly picked up a bunch of stuff that I don't really know what it is, but for these prices I don't think we'll get hurt. I also did buy that little sawhorse plant stand thing for Sarah for $4, which I thought was really cool for $4, but there's currently a plant on it outside. For $1, I grabbed these vintage snips here. I saw this marking that says Italicus, Italy. I looked up that brand, and it looks like they make a lot of like high-end vintage scissors and stuff. I couldn't find these exact snips, but for $1, I figured why not. And I've actually already used these in the backyard on a pretty gnarly set of weeds, so these will probably just stay right in our shed, and you can't beat that for $1. For $3, I grabbed this Franklin Electric control box for a submersible motor. I can't remember if I found this exact one as far as comps go, but I did find several that were similar for, I think, between the 30 and 40, maybe $50 range. So for $3, definite no-brainer. 50 cents each. I got a couple of these Lubrimatic hydraulic couplers. I think these are new old stock from 1974, and I think these sell for about 10 bucks a piece, so you can't beat that for 50 cents each. Here is an Impressions brand ground fault circuit interrupter outlet thing, sealed in the package. I couldn't find any with this brand again, but this type of outlet seems to do okay. Usually sells new for between 10 and 15 bucks, and I think this was like 50 cents or $1. Got these for 50 cents, and I have no clue what they are. It's in this thing called a clear can, and they have little numbers on them. Some sort of labeling system maybe. If you know, let me know. I just grabbed them because they're 50 cents. Breaking my own rule of picking up junk for no reason. I got a Bausch & Lomb disinfecting unit 2. I've seen some sold comps on the disinfecting unit 1, I guess, but I've seen active comps for the 2 around the $35 mark. So maybe they sometimes sell for $35, but it was $1, so I grabbed it. The last thing was this Eaton XH9 Model 906 accumulator. No clue what it does. I'm sure someone out there does, and I'm sure I'm an idiot for not knowing what it is. But I see active comps for around the $87 range, and I see similar sold comps for pretty high as well, maybe 50 to 80. So for $5, I grabbed this, and now I'm stuck with a bunch of stuff that I don't know what it is, but I'm still gonna try to sell it. I think I paid like 16 bucks for everything. So not bad at all for a bonus garage sale. So that's everything I picked up from my mom's neighbors. We'll see how I do with it. I didn't spend a lot, and it should all be pretty easy to list, so can't complain. That's what I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.